How's it going, everyone? And happy Memorial Day weekend. In this video, I'm going to give you all my favorite setups for the upcoming week, kind of my thought process, my game plan. But before we get started, be sure you subscribe to my channel, click that thumbs up button, and click that bell icon so you don't miss on any of my upcoming videos. So let's get right into this spy. So I have three levels here. This 410.2 is the bounce area that I'm watching. If we fail this 420.7 area, pull back, that's the only bounce area I can clearly see. Any other bounce areas I have to see play out intraday, watching price action, volume. Another scenario is we break this 420.72 with good volume, nice pullback. I'm going to take my entry with calls off this 420.72. So what happens when we break a resistance like this? We break through it with a good volume. When we come back down, what used to be resistance has now turned support. We pick up whatever orders were left behind at this area and continue on. So I'll be looking for the pullback, for the retest to get calls here to play the move back up. And as far as rejects go, we got quite a ways to I see anything I would risk rejecting. This all the way up to this 431.8. It's going to be a solid area to watch for possible puts. It's going to be hard to break through that level, but like I said, it's quite a ways away. So my SPX levels remain the same for this upcoming week. All these levels are still relevant. Still been respecting these for the most part. As you can see above this 4212, we have quite a bit of room up to my next resistance, right around this 4257. Something to keep in mind when we was talking about SPY earlier. That's what I wanted to see, a break above this, pull back, retest, continue on. I'm going to say it. I know I always say it. Some of you are probably tired of hearing this. But remember, never take calls on SPY right below a resistance on SPX. And never take puts on SPY right above a support on SPX. That one simple tip will save you money and keep you from getting stopped out. Trust me on this one. I've been on the wrong end of that. Got stopped out just because I wasn't paying attention to SPX chart while trading SPY options. So for all my futures traders out there, I don't really have a lot for you all this week. I just want to point out we are in supply on the daily time frame on ES. If you know how to trade supply and demand, this is going to be a great setup to watch this week. Either a break above, retest, just like we was talking about in SPX, SPY, or if we fail it, you see a nice reversal candle coming out of it, maybe a possible short entry. Okay. Now I do have some individual stocks for y'all. Check this out. First stock on the watch list is this Amazon. I'm looking for a pullback to this 117.3 area, down 116.8 for a call entry. I think once we pull back, we get some buyers back in this, we could see a break above this 121.4 in the near future. Something to watch for sure. Plan on holding this any length of time. You better use further out expiration. You don't want that killing your premium. Yes, Tesla made the watch list, ticker TSLA. When I'm watching, I want to see a break above like this 200.6. Same thing, break above, pull back down, retest it. I want to see it turn into support. I want to grab calls. As far as I can see, we've got room up to 207.7. Above that, 210. Above that, we got some room up to 215, which I didn't mark this out for some reason. Then 217.65. I highly doubt I will be in that trade that long. If I can catch this bounce and play it back up to 207.79, the option should move amazing, and I'll probably be out of most of my position there, if not completely out. I will be trimming on the way up. For those that trade with me, you know my trades don't always last the longest. We get in, we get them sniper entries, catch that quick move, and make some money. And that's all I have for y'all this week. I appreciate each and every one of you. I hope you have an amazing week. It is a short 4-day week, so one thing I've noticed on the short weeks, sometimes the volume can be low, can be move a little different. So just be cautious and let's have a good week. Appreciate you all for watching. I'll see you next time.